How do we identify reliable knowledge in a world full of noise? Imagine if with a single click, you could filter the noise and keep only the information you can trust. My name is Domenico Del Rico. I've been working in the finance, trading, research and development for over 20 years with a question in mind. What survives the market after the story is gone? This is market knowledge qualified pipeline, starting from input sources like academic papers, popular trading strategies, GitHub repositories. The ingestion process will go through a statistical auto-sample validation in order to populate a validated knowledge dataset to be used by a large language model in a controlled environment. Let's go live. At the left, you see a graphic user interface for backend. Just for the purpose of this presentation, this is a manual ingesting process. So we can ingest PDF papers, we can ingest GitHub repository, TradingView strategies, or natural language strategies. And if the strategies or the sources passes the examination, they will populate a qualified dataset to be used by the front end. In the front end, we can ask questions like strategies on GLD. When users ask a question, the model calls GPT API and asks the large language model to elaborate the dataset, just the dataset, nothing else. So it uses the best and highest reasoning capabilities in a restricted environment and produce answer with evidence, metrics, equity line, rules, or even codes. So let's recap this. How ChatGPT and Codex power this project? GPT has been used to create the qualified knowledge, read sources, extract trading rules, and architecture the system. Codex builds the application, both in the back end and in the front end. That's it for the moment. Thank you.